ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्रीरामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनं। ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्रीतुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्रीतुलसीदासाय नमः। Hari Om, a warm welcome. We have seen half of the 220th Chaupai. We will read that and then proceed. सत्यसंध प्रभु सुरहितकारी भरत राम आयस अनुसारी स्वार्थ बिबस बिकल तुम हो भरत दोसु नहीं राउर मोहु सुनी सुर बर सुर गुर बर बानी भा प्रमोदु मन मिटी गलानी भरषि प्रसून हरषि सुररावु लगे सुराहन भरत सुभावु. We have done till here. We will continue from here. एहि विधि भरत चले मग जाहि, दशा देखि मुनि सिद्ध सिहाहि. जबहि राम कहिलेहि उषासा, उमगत पेमु मनहु चहु पासा. द्रवहि बचन सुनि कुशिल पशाना, पुरजन पेमु न जाई बखाना. बीच बास करि जमु नहीं आए, निरखि नीरुलोचन जल छाए. रघुबर बरन बिलोकी बर, भारी समेत समाज. होत मगन बारिधि बिरह, चढ़े विवेक जहाज. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय. उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय. सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. Bharata continued, ehi bidi Bharata chale mag jahi. Bharata continued on his way. Dasa dekhi muni siddha sihahi. All the sages and siddhas were all filled. You know, the very sight would in a way bring lot of joy, and in another way it even would bring envy. जबहि राम कहिलेहि उषासा, उमगत पेमु मनहु चहु पासा. Whenever Bharata heaved a long sigh, when the word Rama would come to his lips, or in others' lips also when they speak about Rama, umagata pemu manahu chaupasa, it seemed love overflowed in all sides, both in Bharata, in all the others as well. Dravahi bachana suni kulisa pashana. Even the love of Bharata was such that even stones would melt with his love. The depth of his love, the strength of his love, even stones would melt. Some people would sit and think, what description, or how can stones and all melt? That is because their heart is like a stone. Because love, the true love, I really constantly I keep telling, whenever we speak of Bharata's love, etc., it is, pure love. Not the contaminated, expecting, anticipating in the, trade kind of a love. No. It was pure love. Therefore, such love will even melt even stones, it is said. So, otherwise, what we know is the general transactional love. The transactional love cannot melt anyone. Even the person who is loving also will not get any feeling. It is just one transactional love, but real true love which Bharata had, it would really melt the heart. And if it doesn't, their heart is harder than the stone. Purajana pemuna jai bakhana. The love of the citizens also were so deep. Na jai bakhana, it is beyond description. That was the pure true love they had towards Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji. Beecha basa kari jamu nahi aaye, nirakhi niru lochana jala chaye. Then on their way, they halted at one particular place, and then the next day early morning they arrived at the bank of Yamuna river. Nirakhi niru lochana jala chaye. Bharata's eyes again was filled when he saw the water, because the color of Jamuna's water was exactly like the in the color of Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji. Shyamala Varna. We have seen earlier. The water of Jamuna also was Shyamala Varna. Therefore, looking at that again, he would remember Ramchandraji. Anything and everything he would recollect to Ramchandraji only. This happens even even in the common normal being in the world. If he is in love with anything, he will connect everything to that. If he has aversion to that thing, anything will show bad against that person only. This is the quality of the mind. And here Bharata, his love towards Bhagavan Sri Ramchandraji was so much, for anything he would connect it to Rama. Like how the Yamuna river reminded him of Bhagavan Ramchandraji. Raghubara Barana Biloki Bara Bari Sameta Samaj. That, the sight of that lovely stream, it not only brought remembrance of Rama. Whenever we say we are reminded, then lot of incidences also comes into picture along with that, which enriches that love, which strengthens that love. Bari Sameta Samaja, Bharata and all of the retinue, all of them were actually, even though they took bath there, they were drowned in grief for the separation of Rama. Hota magana baridhi viraha chade viveka jahana. Because of viraha, separation from Rama, all of them were grieved. And even, it is said, chade viveka jahaja. Even once bark of a tree was sufficient for them to hold on. And here the bark of the tree is discretion. Now this very beautiful thought here. Bharata, even though he was drowned in the love of Rama, he was so grieved due to the separation from Rama, he never lost his ability to discriminate. Please be very attentive. That buddhi, which gives the right direction, he never lost. In normal cases, we find in the name of love, we lose discrimination. Isn't it? That is why we call in the worldly language, they fall in love. Whereas with reference to Bhagavan Sri Ramchandraji, one rises in love. Alright. And such a love which rises is a love which also has the right discrimination. And Bharata, not only he plunged into the grief of separation from Ramchandraji, at the same time he always held to a bark that will not drown. And that bark is that ability to discrimination, discretion. Continuing the 221st Chaupai. Jamuna tira tehi dina kari basu bhayavu samaya sama sabahi supasu rati hi ghat ghat ki tarani ai aganita jahina barani prat par bhaye ekai kheva तोषे राम सखा की सेवा चले नहाई नदी सिरनाई साथ निषाद नाथ दो भाई आगे मुनि बर बाहन आछे राज समाज जाई सबु पाछे तेहि पाछे दो बंधु पयादे भूषण बसन बेश सुठि सादे सेवक सुहृद सचिव सुत साथा सुमिरत लखनु सिय रघुनाथा जह जह राम बास विश्रामा तह तह करहि स प्रेम प्रणामा मगबासी नर नारी सुनी धाम काम तजि धाई देखि स्वरूप स्नेह सब मुदित जन्म फल पाई सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय। बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। जमुन तीरते ही दिन करि बासु, भयउ समय सम सबहि सुपासु। That day, Jamuna Tira, at the bank of river Yamuna, all of them stayed. Bhayav Samaya Samasabi Hisupasu. And they were given basic comforts to stay and things like that. Some tents and all they would have carried on the way. They would have got prepared themselves, isn't it? So, basic comforts were given. Rati hi ghata ghata ki tarani ai aganita jahina barani. Overnight, or probably earlier itself, now Nishad Raja Guha know the place very well. Earlier he had taken Ramchandraji, Sitaji and Lakshmanji also to the other side. Is it not? So he being a tribal person, he knows all these places. So earlier itself, he must have sent all the messengers to all the people whoever had got boats. And he got all of those boats in Yamuna river within the night. Aganita, innumerable boats, Jahinabarani, you cannot explain that many varieties of boats, huge number of boats were brought there. Pratapara bhaye ekahi keva, toshe Rama sakha ki seva. The whole party, the complete entire retinue crossed the river at one shot in a single trip. The boat need not have to go, leave some people, come back again, pick up and again go. No, that many boats were there that they all went in one trip. And everybody were really praising for the wonderful service rendered by Nishad Raja by bringing so many boats. Chale nahai nadihi siranai. From there they proceeded, having taken bath in the river Yamuna. Sath Nishadanath Doubai. And along with Nishad Raja, Doubai, both the brothers Bharata and Shatrughna, they resumed the journey and on foot. Aage muni bar bahan aache, Raj Samaj Jai Sabu Pache. Right at the front, in the right appropriate chosen vehicle, all the principal sages, main sages, Vamadeva, Vashishta, etc., all of them, they went in the front, followed by all the royal hosts, the entire retinue they followed. Tehi pache do bandhu payade. And at the end, the two brothers both walked on foot. Now all of them have understood. Earlier they walked because of that sentiment, but now they have understood that Bharata and Shatrughna want to walk on the ground to follow their brother, and they accepted the fact, and they did not insist. They went into the horse or chariots or whatever, and then the brothers followed on foot. And Bhushana, Basana, Besha, Suti, Pasade, no Bhushana, etc., no ornament, simple attire. Simple attire. They did not take to ochre robe or something like that. Did not take to sannyasi's dress. They came with the regular Raja attire only, but then very simple dress without costumes and ornaments, etc., etc. सेवक सुहृद सचिव सुत साथा सुमिरथ लखनु सिय रघुनाथा. And they were also accompanied by all these sevaks and friends and minister's son, Sumantraji's son, even he also accompanied, and all of them went together. Sumirata, Lakhanu siya Raghunatha, remembering all the time keeping the thoughts of Ramchandra ji, Sita ji and Lakshman ji, they continue to walk. Jaha jaha Rama basa beshrama, taha taha karya karahi sa prema pranama. Wherever Rama had stayed, Rama had sat down, Rama had lied down, Rama had walked, everywhere offering their pranams, they continued their journey. Magabasi naranari suni dhama kama tajidhai. And wherever, earlier also we found, wherever they went, that villagers and all, they left everything, all the work they left, and they came towards the roadside to have the glimpse. Earlier, Ramchandra ji, Lakshman ji, Sita ji, and now Bharat ji and Shatrugna ji, listening, hearing the news, they all came to have their darshan. Dekhi sarupa saneha sab. And looking at them, that beautiful, wonderful, form and affection with which they also interacted with the villagers, mudita janama phalupai, they were very, very happy and they felt that their life was rewarded. How wonderful it would have been, isn't it? Continuing. Kahi sapema eka eka pahi Ramu lakhanu sakhi hohi ki nahi Bhaya bapu barana rupu soi ali Silu sanehu sarisa samachali Beshuna so sakhi siyana sanga Aage ani chali chaturanga Nahi prasanna mukha manasa dekheda Sakhi sandehu hoi ehi beda Tasu tarakatiya gana manamani Kahi sakala tehi samanasayani Tehi sarahi bani phiri puji बोली मधुर बचन तिय दूजी कहीं सपेम सब कथा प्रसंगु जेहि विधि राम राज रस भंगु भरत ही बहुरी सराहन लागी सील सनेह सुभाय सुभागी चलत पया देखात फल पिता दीन्हत जिराजू जात मनावन रघुबरही भरत सरिस को आजु सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. One woman, lovingly, very, with lot of joy in her heart, she said to the other, Kahai sapema eka eka pahi. They spoke to each other. You always have this general trend, when you see something, when you have a group, then you start commenting, you start, making some, thoughts, bringing out some thoughts. Ramu lakhanu sakhi ho hi kiknahi. Hey, Sakhi, can they be Rama or Lakshmana? Is it not Rama Lakshmana? Bhayavapu barana rupu soi ali. Their age, their physical constitution, the body, then vapu barana, their complexion, rupu, that beautiful form, soi ali, that friendliness of the form, all of them appear exactly the same. Isn't it so, Sakhi? Silu sanehu sarisa samachali. And their conduct, meaning the way they walk, the way they speak, the way they hold the bow, isn't it appearing the same? Then, Beshuna so sakhi siyana sangha. The only difference is, they are not accompanied by Sita ji. So, and the other friend of hers, Sakhi, she said, their dress is not really the same because they were wearing sannyasi dress and these people are wearing Rajastra and they are not accompanied by Sita. Siyana Sangha. Aage Ani Chali Chaturanga. And they are also coming with the four limbs of the army. The elephants, the chariots, people on foot, horse, etc. Chaturanga, they are also following. Nahi prasanna mukha manasi dekha. Kheda. There is no prasanna mukha. Meaning what? That pleasantness is not there in their face. There is sorrow. Sakhi sandeho ehi bheda. And with that heavy face, very heavy sorrow in their face, they don't look like. This difference in them doesn't identify them with Rama and Lakshmana. Immediately other friend, Tasu Tarakaniyagana Tiyagana Manamani. Her argument of why they could not be Rama and Lakshmana was very appealing, acceptable. So the other woman said, what you say is right. Kahahi sakalatehi samanasayani. This lady is very clever. She has observed properly. And therefore she is able to find the difference between Rama Lakshmana and Bharata Shatrughna. Tehi sarahi bani phiri puji. Then the others also applauded. The other lady who identified that they are not Rama and Lakshmana, they applauded and gave her good remarks and all. Boli madura bachanati aduji. Another woman with very soft words spoke. Kahi sapema sab katha prasangu jehi bidhi rama raja rasa bhangu. Then the other lady, she softly said, now listen, I know the whole story. I got the right reports. What is that? She narrated the entire story of what has happened till now. And therefore, Rama, Lakshmana, Sita have already passed through this area. Therefore, this is Bharata and Shatrughna only. They are not Rama, Lakshmana. She told all the story that Rama was to be incarnated and then Kaikeyi did this and then Bharata, when he came back, also all the complete story she narrated. Bharata hi bahuri sarahana lagi sila saneha subhaya subhagi. And she then started praising Bharata. For what? For that love he had towards Ramchandra ji, to such an extent, he gave up the throne also. Sila Saneha Subhaya Subhagi. His love for Rama, his friendly nature, and very good disposition, and Subhagi, a very good luck, also prevailed in him. Thus, she started praising Bharata. Chalata payade khata phala pitadina tajiraju. Look at him. He is walking on foot. Payade. On foot chalata. And pitadin hi tajiraju. When the father gave him the kingdom, as per the boon which he had given Kaikeyi, when the father had to give him the kingdom, he did not accept the kingdom. He relinquished that particular bhoga and that sovereignty bestowed by his father. Jata manavata raghubarahi bharata sarisako aju. Now he is coming on foot and to meet Ramchandraji and take him back. On his return, take him back. For that he is coming. Therefore, he is indeed amazing. He is very great. Therefore, everybody were praising Bharata. Who can equal Bharata today? He is the best among men. Like that they were speaking. Continuing the 223rd Chaupai. Bhayapa bhagati bharata acharanu कहत सुनत दुख दूषण हरनु, जो किछु कहब थोर सखी सोई, राम बंधु अस काहे न होई। हम सब सानुज भरत ही देखे, भई न धन्य जुबती जन लेखे। सुनि गुण देखी दशा पछिताही, कई कई जननी जोगु सुतु नाही। को कह दूषनु रानी नाहिन, विधि सब कीन हमहि जो दाहिन। कह हम लोक वेद विधिहीनी, लघुतिय कुल कर तूति मलिनी। बसहि कुदेश कुगाव कुबामा, कह यह दुरसु पुण्य परिणामा। अस अनंदु अचिरिजु प्रतिग्रामा, जनु मरुभूमि कल्पतरु जामा। भरत दरसु देखत खुलेऊ, मगलोगन कर भागु। जनु सिंघल बासिन भयऊ, विधि बस सुलभ प्रयागु। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भई सब संतन की जय। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। You know, these sequences also have lot of learning, teaching. We need to see all this, generally, instead of general outlook, if we can go a little deeper and think, you will find how important it is for you and me to have the culture of our dharma. The culture of our dharma brings similar thoughts. It is like, in a vessel. Let us say you fill payasam. In a vessel you fill payasam. Then you take a spoon. And then with that spoon you take something from that vessel. Where you have filled payasam, will sambar come out? I know it's a funny example, but it's an interesting example. Check. If you fill payasam, sambar will not come. Or if you fill sambar, rasam will not come. What is there in the vessel alone will come in the spoon, isn't it? Similarly is what you fill in your mind alone will come out as thoughts. Think. All these women who are watching Bharata and Shatrughna walking, look at the kind of thoughts they are bringing. So beautiful. So pure in its nature. Is it not? They never gave any wrong thoughts. Nothing, different thoughts came. It came with so much of sanctity. Therefore, as you think, meaning what? As you entertain the thoughts, so will be the quality of your mind. The quality and texture of thoughts decides the quality of the person. And the purity in heart of all these women very clearly shows how wonderful was the samskaras during those periods. Now see, Bhayapa Bhagati Bharata Acharanu. Bhayapa Bhagati. Of whom? Bharata Acharanu. Bharata, the way he conducts himself, Acharanu. Bhayapa, that brotherly love he has towards Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji. Bhagati, that devotion. He is not only a brother, he is also a devotee, a bhakta of Bhagavan. Kahata sunata dukha dushana harahu. Even while thinking about it, while speaking, Tulsidas says, those people who talk of Bharata, who talk the glory of Bharata, who think about the goodness of Bharata, all those people, Jo kichu kaha bathora sukhi soi, whatever may be said, my dear friend, how much ever you may talk about them is inadequate. Is not at all sufficient. More and more one feels to think, more and more one feels to speak about them. Rama bandhu asa kahe na hoi. No wonder. Why? Because he is the brother of Bhagavan Ramchandra ji. He had lived with him in and through. Therefore, how can there be any different kind of thought? Therefore, it is not a wonder at all to be like this, because he is Bhagavan Ramchandra's own brother. Hum sabh sanuja bharata hi dekhe. Now, all of us, hum sabh sanuja bharata hi dekhe. All of us now have seen Bharata and his younger brother Shatrughna. Bhaina dhanya jubati jana lekhe. We all have become Dhanya Purushas. We are all, blessed. Among so many women who have not got their darshan, we all are blessed. Suni guna dekhi dasa pachitahi. Hearing to the virtues, seeing the, one part of the face, one way of the face is very beautiful face, very handsome, structure of the body, Bharata and Shatrughna. But at the same time, Pachitahi dasa, their pitiful face. Why? Because of the separation from Ramchandra ji. Pitiful face, that particular state of their mind, all these women started lamenting. Kaikeyi janani jogu sutu nahi. They said, he is not fit to be the son of that bad, mother Kaikeyi. He is unfit to be her son because he is so wonderful. And his mother, that bad Kaikeyi, who is the cause for all these things to happen, how terrible she is. He is not fit to be her son. Ko kaha dushanurani nahina. Someone from the other side, she said, hey, wait. Kaikeyi is not to be blamed at all. Don't blame Kaikeyi. It is all Bidhi sabukina hamahi jodahina. Now see, it is Bhagavan's activity to bless all of us. It is a favorable thing for all of us because of that we had the darshan of all of them. Kahamaloka beda vidhina. Otherwise, how can we have the darshan? We cannot go to the palace. Even if you go to the palace, all the soldiers and security will not allow us inside. What account are we? Kahamaloka. Veda vidhina. We don't know anything about Vedas and things like that. We have no knowledge at all. We are not even born in a good family, tribal family. And we are excluded. We are not given the opportunity to even think of Vedas, pronounce the word Veda also. Laghutiya kula karatuti malini. And our birth is not very pure birth. We are all born somewhere. Like any other person, we are just born. We are not born with that particular culture, with that status and things like that. Basahi kudesa kugava kubama. And where do we live? We live in one wild, some forest we live. We don't even live in a smart city. And village, Kugaon, untouched village somewhere. Very low class we are all born to. Kahayaha darasu punya parinama. Therefore, the very fact that we have the darshana, and such a beautiful sight of these two people, it is a reward of several janma punya. That is what Gita says, Bahunam Janmanam Ante. Ante, at the end of several janmas, Jnanavan Mam Prapadyate. In Bhagavad Gita it is said, after so many this and there are punya parinama, some punya somewhere by mistake we might have done. The parinama of that punya karma, asa anandu achiriju pratigrama. And it is such a wonderful rejoice for all of us, which cannot be even imagined. Janumaru bhumi kalapataru jama. It is, it seems like, in a desert, the kalpataru vriksha has come. It is like the growth of the celestial tree, kalpataru, wish-fulfilling tree, where in a desert, today all of us are so blessed that even here such great people have come, and because of our previous punya karma which we might have done by mistake or whatever, that we have got the darshan. Therefore, don't blame Kaikeyi. Bharata darasu dekhata kulevu magalogan kar bhagu. Bharata darasu, at the very darshan of Bharata, at the very sight of Bharata, dekhata kulevu magalogan kar bhagu. All good fortune have come to all of us. And all the people in the roadside who have got the darshan of Bharata, at the bank of Yamuna who have seen Bharata, and all of them, the good fortune has manifested. And this is a great, wonderful, good providence that has come to us, that we have got the darshana. Janu Singala Basina Bhayavu, Bidhi Basa Sulabha Prayagu. It is as though Prayaga, see, we all in this forest, we cannot go to that Prayagraj, which is glorified so much. But now it is because of some providence, the whole Prayaga has been easily reached, and now it is, look at the hint, people of Simhala. Simhala means Ceylon, now what is called as Sri Lanka. Otherwise it was called as Ceylon, Simhala, or even Lanka. Sri Lanka came during our age, okay, not earlier. Simhala, it is Prayaga has been brought here. That is the glory. We are all blessed. Therefore, don't blame Kaikeyi. Don't, talk ill about Kaikeyi. It is all our good fortune. Therefore, thank Bhagavan. So, because of whom we have got this darshana of his bhakta Bharata and brother Shatrughna. We will continue tomorrow. All right. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।